If you're planning a wedding, then you should definitely be using the Hitched seating chart planner. To find your Hitched seating chart planner, start by logging in to your Hitched account. You'll see a toolbar at the top with everything that you need to get started, and the fifth one along is Seating Chart. Click this. You'll then see your seating chart. Mine has a couple of tables here already because I've already got started, but yours might just have the top table here. From here, you can start working out where all your guests are going to sit. You can add tables by clicking on one of these three table icons. If I select this one in the middle, for example, I will have the option to add a table name. I'm going to call it Table 4. I can then choose how many chairs I want around it. 2, 3, 4, we'll go for 5. Here's my table 4 with 5 seats, and I can drag and place it wherever I want. I can do the same with other tables as well. Once I've got my table sorted, I can start adding in my guests. Here you can see that I've already got a few guests added, and you'll see that you can bracket them into different groups. For example, mutual friends, my family, Bob's family, and even Bob's friends, and so on and so forth. To add somebody, just click Add Guest. If you've already imported a list of your guests, then you'll be able to add them here by searching their name. You can work out what group you want your guest to be in by selecting their name on the left-hand side. This will open up their details, and here you can rename them, add companions, decide whether they're an adult, a child, or a baby, and you can decide which group they belong to, for example, your partner's co-workers or your friends. Then you can even tick which part of the wedding they're going to come to, whether it's ceremony, reception, or just the wedding breakfast, or both, or all three. You can even add contact information to make it even simpler. Then click Save and all the details will be updated. By selecting List, I've now got a clear indication of who is at every single table. And whenever you're ready, you can click PDF here to download this into a visual seating chart. You can go back to Chart by clicking here. Once you're happy with your seating chart, hit PDF to download it and start getting ready for your big day.